cutting open the hole for the lantern and installing the insulated lamp stand. Good thing about these is it's already pre-formed, it's all ready to go. This Tom here, Tom's of the essence obviously, so it needs to be done fairly quickly, waterproof. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Right, so we've got to get that in situ now, then go inside to see where the reveals have got to be for the plasterboarding. So exactly where it's got to be. Then it's got to be lifted back out, it's got to be marked, and then got to be lifted back out, cut, peel back, and then that'll be screwed back into situ, ready to be glued. Okay, so pre-drilling now for the screws to go in. Get them sectioned round, and then it's ready to be glued up into the recess underneath the lantern. So basically it sits on top of the roof. So you build obviously the cutout with your timbers in, structurally sound timbers in there for it. Yeah, it's a very good system to use. Everything's all pre-formed for you. So you literally cut the hole out, ready to go, drop it in, pre-drill, screw it in, and it's ready to be glued. So yeah.
And Steve, how did you find the installation of the Dacia roof lights?
To be fair, we've fitted quite a lot of roof lights over the years, and they're not that dissimilar to other roof lights that we've fitted. I have to say, value-wise, they're pretty awesome. You know, the quality is up there with the best of them, and the price is even better.
And Steve, what Dacia roof light did you use for this installation?
So we went for the Azure, the 1 metre by 1.5, so we've gone for 2 of those. The reason I chose those is because they were one of the biggest ones that you do as well. And I liked the fact that they sort of angle out and give you that little bit of extra light. I like the fact that, you know, it's toughened glass, and the fact that it's got a really long warranty on it. Remind me, what's the warranty?
It's 10 years.
There you go.
And did you go for any extra features, Steve?
Yes, I went for the electric openers, and I also went for the electric blinds because I just feel like sometimes you want to shut them off, you know, block out the light. So I thought that'd be an awesome feature.